Welcome to the Times Higher Education THE Live ANZ virtual event. Navigate to the exhibition hall to view our event partners and interact at the booths. Once you are in a booth, you can view information on the partner. You can view, download, or add their resources to your event bag. You may need to click on the drop-down arrow to view the resources available. You can add a wall post that will be viewable to all delegates that visit the stand. You will see if a booth representative is active at their booth, as the live chat icon will be available when you click into the stand. To chat with the representative, click on the We're Online icon, and it will allow you to either post a live chat on the wall, which everyone visiting the stand can view, or if you want to speak privately, click on the name of the person you wish to talk with and send them a private message using the envelope tab. If the booth admin is unavailable, click on the We're Offline icon, and you'll be able to send them a message that they will respond to when they are back online. You will see if an exhibitor is offering one-to-one meetings by the Meetings icon on their exhibition booth. Click on the Meetings icon and click the down arrow to see the meetings available and at what time. If you wish to book onto the meeting, click Book. You will get an email to confirm the details of the meeting, and also a notification in the alerts to say that you have booked on, and you will get a 15-minute reminder before your meeting to join. When it is your time to join the meeting, click the launch icon next to the meeting you have booked. You may be invited by an exhibitor to video chat. A notification will appear inviting you to chat. If you want to join the video chat, click on the notification to be taken into the meeting. You can use this area as text chat if required. When entering the video, select your microphone and camera options from the drop-down on the right-hand side. You will see yourself in the smaller camera window when this has been selected. Click to Join Chat when you are ready.